Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change install location in Google Play Games. Alright, let's begin. First, open your C drive, make sure to enable Hidden Items from the top, and then go to Users. From there, open App Data. If you do not see it, search for App Data in the address bar. Next, open the Local folder, then find Google and open the Play Games folder. Make sure you completely delete the existing Play Games folder from this location. This step is important. After deleting it, copy the original Play Games address. Now, search for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar and run it as administrator. Inside Command Prompt, type mklink/d, then add quotation marks and paste the original Play Games path. Add another set of quotation marks, then paste the new folder path where you want Google Play Games to be installed. Before pressing Enter, make sure the original Play Games folder is deleted or the command will fail. Once done correctly, press Enter. This creates a symbolic link and changes the install location. So, that's basically how you can change install location in Google Play Games. That's it for this video. Thanks!